Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding sawhorses is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools you can have in your workshop or garage, providing a sturdy and portable work surface for a wide range of tasks, from DIY projects to professional construction work. This video will help you find the perfect pair to suit your needs and budget, covering key features, durability, and ease of use. Number 5. Amazon Basics Folding Sawhorses. These sawhorses are perfect for any job. They're strong, stable, and easy to set up and take down. With a 900-pound weight capacity, it can handle even your heaviest projects. The locking braces and non-slip feet ensure secure anchoring. Setup is a breeze, and they fold flat for easy transport and storage. They're ready to use right out of the box. It features fold-out stoppers that double as a shelf, and multiple hooks for tools and cords. Keep your workspace organized and efficient. They're made to withstand daily use. The durable design ensures they'll be a reliable addition to your tool collection for years to come. From DIY projects to professional use, these sawhorses are up to the task. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's sturdy and easy to set up, and has a handy built-in shelf for extra storage. If you need a reliable, affordable option for occasional use and appreciate extra storage, this is a great choice. It's perfect for DIY projects around the house or small-scale tasks where a high weight capacity isn't essential. What people say. They're quite rugged and make great sawhorses for woodworking. The easiest folding sawhorses I have to open and close. To open these, pull the legs apart and they pretty much lock open. To close, insert your fingers in the tray and lift up. It's that simple. These work well, sturdy and easy to store and use. Number 4. ToughBuilt TBC 300-2 Sawhorses. These sawhorses are built to last. They're perfect for any job site, offering incredible strength and durability. It's made from 100% high-grade steel, ensuring superior strength and longevity. You can rely on it for years to come. Each sawhorse holds an impressive 1,100 pounds, and the pair can handle a combined 2,200 pounds. That's a lot of weight. The powder coating and zinc plating provide superior protection against rust and corrosion, extending its lifespan. It also features a convenient carry handle, making it easy to transport to and from your job site. Mobility has never been easier. With its robust build and impressive weight capacity, it's the ideal solution for all your heavy-duty needs. Get yours today. What we like. Made from heavy-duty steel, it boasts superior strength and durability. The convenient carry handle makes transportation a breeze. If you prioritize strength and portability for heavier-duty jobs, this is the one for you. It's ideal for professional contractors or serious DIYers who need a robust and easily transportable sawhorse. What people say. They are well made, durable, and each will hold up to 1,100 pounds. The legs are folded inside the metal case with a handle on top. To unfold the legs, simply push the button on the exterior of the case, unfold the legs and lock them in place. To fold them back in the frame, unlock the crossbar and fold one leg at a time. The lightweight, compact and collapsible design is this product's best feature. Number 3. YITAHOME Saw Horses. These sawhorses are a must-have for any DIY project. They're incredibly sturdy and easy to adjust to your perfect working height. It adjusts from 25.3 to 32.3 inches with a simple slide and lock. Find the most comfortable height for any job. Made of high-grade Q235 steel, they can support up to 2,600 pounds total. They're built to last and handle even the toughest projects. The 4x4-inch support arm has 2 adjustable heights. It's perfect for adding extra support to your workpieces. They fold up quickly and easily for compact storage. The convenient handle makes them easy to transport. The platform edges are rounded and smooth to prevent scratches and ensure your safety. They are designed with your comfort and safety in mind. What we like. This sawhorse offers unparalleled adjustability with its height settings and detachable support arms. Its impressive weight capacity makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. If you need versatility and adjustability for various tasks and heights, this sawhorse is a must-have. It's perfect for woodworking, construction, or any project that requires precise height adjustments. What people say. They are impressively stable and very versatile. I really like how compact and portable they are. They fit into my truck box. Setup is fast, the stability is great, and the load these hold is also impressive. Number 2. Metabo HPT 115445M Sawhorses. They weigh only 11.8 pounds together. It's easy to transport and set up these sawhorses for any job. A workstation wherever you need one. With a 1,200 pounds capacity per pair, it can handle even your heaviest materials. Perfect for plywood, tools, or any heavy-duty project. 4 sawbucks are included to hold 2x4s, extending the work surface. This protects them and makes working with larger sheets easier. A built-in shelf and cord hooks keep your tools and cords handy. Non-skid feet provide stability for a secure workstation. These sawhorses are built to last, with Metabo HPT's reputation for quality and durability. Experience the difference of Japanese engineered tools. What we like. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, and includes handy features like a built-in shelf and sawbucks. If you value portability without compromising on strength and appreciate added convenience features, this is an excellent option. It's great for those who need to move their sawhorses frequently but still require a high weight capacity. What people say. Sturdy, lightweight sawhorses with nice features, cord wrap, bottom shelves, sawbucks to adapt for holding 4x8 plywood sheets, etc. Included sawbucks are a nice addition. They're durable, good quality, and already assembled. They work as good as the ones you buy from Lowe's or Home Depot, but for a fraction of the price. Number 1. Bora Portamate Speedhorse PM 4500T. It boasts lever quick release deploy technology. Setup and teardown are 30 times faster than conventional sawhorses, saving you valuable time. This single stand supports up to 1,800 pounds, 200 pounds more than leading competitors. The 30-inch working height makes your project easily accessible. Simply pull the levers to fold the legs. Unlike others, the leg folding order doesn't matter, making it incredibly convenient. The extra-long, pre-drilled metal top lets you add 2x4s for extra support. This protects it from damage and extends its lifespan. Winner of the 2019 Pro Tool Innovation Award. It's the best sawhorse on the market. Add it to your cart today. What we like. It sets up and folds away in seconds, and its extra-long top provides superior stability. If you value speed and efficiency above all else, and need a sawhorse that can handle extremely heavy loads, this is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for professionals who need to quickly set up and break down their workstation multiple times a day. What people say. They are the perfect weight, the legs fold super easily, lumber can add it to the tops for more surface area, they can be bracketed together with 2x4s to create a complete frame if need, and they are very sturdy. Setup is quick and they are very sturdy. The ability to turn them into a work table is an added benefit. Incredibly sturdy. When set up, I'd expect any folding sawhorse to have a significant amount of wiggle. These don't. They are solid enough to do fairly fine work on. Grippy. The grip pads on the top genuinely do provide enough grip to prevent basic sliding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.